Battery replacement tutorial for Office Rack Mount UPS series. Important notice. Before battery replacement, please read the safety precautions that can be found in the user's manual, quick start guide, and/or other related documents. To start, pull the left side of the right front panel to remove it from the UPS. Loosen the 3 screws to remove the battery compartment cover. Disconnect the black wire first. Then disconnect the red wire. Loosen the screw on the battery tray. Pull out the battery tray and replace the battery with a new one. Tighten the screw on the battery tray. Reconnect the red wire first. Then reconnect the black wire. Make sure the connection is properly seated. Reinstall the battery compartment cover by tightening the 3 screws. To reinstall the front panel, make sure the right side goes in first, and push the left side to secure. Now that you've completed the battery installation, it's time to test it. You can run a battery test by using the LCD panel. First, press the select button for 3 seconds to enter the setup menu. Press the select button to scroll to the BT option for battery test, and press the select button for 3 seconds to activate the option. When you see yes on the LCD screen, press the select button again for 3 seconds to start the battery test. The UPS will enter battery mode, and the battery test will run for a few seconds. When the battery test is complete, the UPS will return to line mode. Finally, remember to reset the battery replacement date by using the PowerPanel software or an installed remote management card. You may also test the battery by using PowerPanel software or an installed remote management card.